This is the elevator at a shopping center called River's Edge off Fletcher Avenue and Telecom Drive in Tampa, Florida. But as you can see here, it's broken. The doors are just stuck like that. I mean, can I pull them? No, I think, yeah, this elevator is just broken. Standard HT fixtures, if I press a button, nothing happens. Press the alarm, it doesn't reset or anything. So just looking at the interlock, this was installed in August 2009. There is another elevator in that building that's identical. We're gonna go check that one out. So again, there's this one. Let's go to the other one. Here's the other elevator. It looks like its doors are shut. And it works. So, there's your interlock. It looks like if those dates are accurate, this one was actually installed a little earlier. It says August 2007. Let's go to 2. Now let's go down to 1. Here's your cab view. It's got a 2,100 pound capacity, Schindler HT fixtures. Yeah, it's a pretty basic elevator. There's your certificate. So this is elevator number 1. And apparently that's the name of or that's the address that's given on the certificate. Anyway, there it goes. And that'll be it.